Okay, so what we're going to do here today is we're going to remove this gutter 60 feet side of a store in Belmont. We're going to have to remove the hangers that are underneath the rubber, take off the flange that's holding it all in, and replace it, and then strip it in. And then we're going to go over all these seams and flash them so that they're watertight. Typical roof repair. Okay, so what we have here now is pretty much a finished product. Sure does look a lot different from it did the day that we got here. What we've done is we've got a 6-inch gutter, plenty of outlets, 3x4 outlets. You got a big volume of water coming off here in the snow and the ice. Imagine, a 1.5 foot, 2 foot of snow. Where's it gonna go? In the shade. It'll want to ice up, but we've got 4 outlets, 1, 2, one around the corner, and I'm going to put another one here. So there'll be plenty outlets.